If you've ever brushed your teeth and then had to force yourself to use that messy water flosser right after, this might be a brilliant answer for you. This is a 3-in-1 dental device. When you put it into deep clean mode, it brushes your teeth, and then when you're done brushing your teeth, it switches into an 80-second floss right straight out of the brush head, so you do it all in one shot. It is brilliant. So the real question is, does it work? Now, I do need to tell you, this was provided to me by Soocas, but I was really impressed because in our conversation, I said, hey, it takes me like 2 weeks to make the video, this, that, the other thing. They're like, no, use it for a month so you can really tell people how it actually works and what your experience was. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to use this thing for a month, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to let you know exactly what was it like to actually live with this 3-in-1 device, which includes going on a cruise, maybe even 2, depending upon the timing. And I can tell you, I already really appreciate it. Comes with this nice case. And when you look at it, it comes with this cool cover for the brush, so everything is nice and neat. I'm really enthusiastic about it. But what do you say we go brush our teeth like 60 times or so? As I said, this is a 3-in-1 system which combines both oscillation, vibration, and the flossing all in one go. It provides 66,000 movements per minute using high-frequency vibrations to get your teeth clean. The brush head actually oscillates about 20 degrees, so it's designed to reach deep between the teeth and wrap around your tooth as it sweeps by. As I mentioned, it includes an 80-second flossing mode targeting those hard-to-reach areas, and the battery is rated for 30 days of life. We'll be able to talk to that for sure. It includes physical buttons for the brush and floss combined mode and the standalone floss mode. And it's paired with an LED power indicator, right? So you can choose whether you want like light mode, medium mode, serious mode. And look, it should remove a lot of plaque, but we're gonna actually see how it's been working. Okay, first time, so far so good. I brushed and now it's flossing, and if you just hit the button once, it pauses it so you can spit out a little bit of water. Let's get back to flossing. Oh man, do I love this thing, but it is still day 1, use 1. I'll see you in about 30 days. Okay, wow, do I have a lot to say about this, which will include 2 pro tips for you to use this really effectively. So how has my experience been with this cool Soocas brush? And it has been phenomenal. I'm telling you, listen, I've been pretty good about my hygiene, but at the same time, I know I'm not good. So look, I know I brush a couple times a day. I know I don't sing happy birthday enough times while I'm brushing my teeth. I know I don't floss enough as I'm supposed to, but overall, I do a really good job. But never has my teeth and mouth felt like, we all know that feeling you have right after you walk out of the dentist and everything feels like super clean and fresh. I'm telling you, just right now after brushing my teeth, super clean and fresh. That same sensation is what I have after using this. It makes it so much easier with its 3-in-1 features. You're going to brush for the right amount of time. You're going to get that extra sonic vibration cleaning that you want. And you're also going to floss completely the way you need to floss. And it all makes it so easy and transparent to do. I have one thing which you might be worried about that I was worried about, but it is a super easy answer. So I hate when I feel like I'm like drowning with water in my mouth or whatever, or foam or whatever it is from when you're brushing your teeth. So a couple times through the process, I want to get that out of my mouth. And all you do is you press this button with your thumb. It pauses the process. You don't have to worry about it shooting water or spraying toothpaste everywhere. You just hit this button, pause, rinse, go back to what you were doing. I tend to do that twice. I tend to do it once at the end of the brushing function, and then once in the middle of the floss when I have a mouthful of water, and then I finish it up and clear it all out again. That's my tip answering a question you might have. My 2 pro tips are, so there's a little bit of a designish problem. I'm just saying like a little bit of a designish problem for the how it holds the water, the way it feeds the water, and the timing, right? Because they're trying to get just the right amount of water to go through that flossing session and not have extra water in there and not have a huge thing that you have to hold in your hand either. So what I found is, number 1, You have to make sure when you fill it up with water, you really fill it all the way up to water, so you have enough water to get through the entire session. And then the other thing, which you may have noticed, which I'll put up a clip here of that last session, when I get towards the end, see the way it feeds the water? So the water feed thing is there. So if you're holding this horizontally in your mouth, it will sometimes starve for water. So I find when I get to the end, so while it's in my mouth, I kind of shift it down so that gravity is bringing the water to where it's feeding from, and that allows me to get completely through the floss section. So those are the two things. Make sure you fill it up, and then if you're noticing it's starving, you just kind of rotate the brush down a little bit like that, and that will allow it to feed all of the water into your mouth, and it lasts for the perfect amount of time. So if you want to get this, and I'm telling you, you should get this. It is amazing. There's a link here on the screen. There's another one down below. Both work the same way to get you that pricing that you want. As we discussed earlier, this was provided to me to do this review, but when I tell you they asked me to do an even more thorough review than what I had planned, I did it, and it's amazing. So you should definitely get this for yourself. Remember to like the video, follow the channel if I've added some value here. Here on YouTube, YouTube's gonna put up a suggestion here for another video that you might wanna watch that we've done, and normally they're pretty good with that, so you should go enjoy watching that video. And if you have any additional questions about this, feel free to put them in the comments, and I will do my best to answer or get you to a resource who can answer that question. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video.